Last year we had lots of cases where students with disabilities were denied admission in the regular schools, and the same were resolved by the office of the state disability commissioner. So this year we had put out an appeal to the schools not to deny admission to students with disabilities, because under the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, no schools can deny admission to students with disabilities. Schools and colleges also have to provide barrier-free access to students with disabilities, and they have to provide reasonable accommodation to the students with disabilities. Also, professional colleges have to provide a 5% reservation for students with disabilities. Last year also there were lots of cases, and we have taken it up with the state disability commissioner. This appeal we are making to the schools, colleges, and all, because we are receiving complaints that schools and colleges are denying admissions to students with disabilities. Also, we request parents to bring it to our notice that if there are any such instances, bring it to our notice, that we will take it up with the State Disability Commissioner, because it is clearly mentioned in the Disability Act 2016 that penal action can be taken against the schools and colleges which are denying admission to students with disabilities. While appealing to the schools and colleges not to deny admission to students with disabilities, we are offering our wholehearted support to ensure that the schools and colleges provide inclusive education. Last year, there were complaints that the education department also was not supporting the schools and colleges in terms of providing resource rooms or in terms of providing special educators. So, if schools and colleges bring these instances to our notice, we will definitely take it up with the education department and the office of the state disability commissioner. Inclusive education, we are appealing to schools and colleges to take students with disabilities, because today there are so many disabled persons who have become successful in life only because they have received support from schools and colleges. And if we don't give support to this to the students with disabilities, we are denying professionals in the field of disabilities from coming up in life. uh, Today there are so many doctors, engineers, lawyers, teachers who are persons with disabilities. All this has been possible only because some schools have promoted inclusive education. But we want all schools, all colleges to promote to promote inclusive education.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.